Today we talk about how can you deceive Sunday on your Scope Planner app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. You just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you list like this here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings, click on it here. So then you come to this list. Then all you have to do, you just click here on time chip and calendar, just click on it. Then come to next step here. Come here to show Sunday here. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color it's gone. That's me show Sunday. It's disabled with us now here. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.